Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Outlook where you actively use email. Make sure your app is updated and you're signed in, focused inbox lives and recent builds. Once ready, go to the View menu in Desktop Outlook and select Show Focused Inbox or Open Settings in OWA and choose Mail Layout Focused Inbox. Do this now so Outlook can begin sorting. Enabling it immediately begins splitting messages into Focused and Other, which is faster than manual triage. Once Focused is on, train it by moving messages. You should drag or right-click and choose Move to Focused or Move to Other, because Outlook learns from your choices. Make durable changes by creating rules. Select a message, choose Rules Create, define sender, subject, or keywords, and pick Focused as the destination. Also add VIP senders to ensure critical mail always lands in Focused, and refine folder filters so newsletters and automated alerts go to Other. These steps reduce false positives over time. You finish by syncing settings across devices so your phone and tablet mirror desktop sorting, check mobile Outlook under Mail settings, and enable Focused Inbox there. Make sure notifications are tuned, disable other alerts to cut interruptions. If Focus doesn't appear, update the app first. If that fails, remove and re-add the account or clear the cache and restart Outlook. Those fixes resolve most visibility issues. After that, monitor for a few days and keep moving misfiled messages to refine sorting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.